Sales forecast is a projection of future sales levels. A forecast is a less formal version of a sales budget, since the forecast may not have a large amount of supporting detail and also tends to run for just a few months into the future. A forecast is more likely to be based on bottom-up projections from the sales force, based on their expectations of sales to specific customers. A sales budget is more likely to incorporate top-down estimates of sales from the management team. How a sales forecast is used. A sales forecast is used to project resource needs, as well as short-term asset requirements. In particular, a business uses a sales forecast to decide whether its on-hand inventory levels should be ramped up or scaled back. It is also an essential input to the analysis of whether a company bottleneck operation can handle a projected change in the sales level. If not, then sales will be capped at the capacity level of the bottleneck. In addition, if sales levels are expected to change dramatically from their current level, then the Human Resources Department needs to plan for corresponding changes in staffing levels. Who uses sales forecasts? Sales forecasts touch virtually all departments in a business. For example, the finance department uses sales forecasts to decide how to make annual and quarterly investments. Product leaders use them to plan demand for new products. And the HR department uses forecasts to align recruiting needs to where the business is going. At some level, sales forecasting affects everyone in the company. What are the objectives of sales forecasting? Smooth internal operations. When the forecast is met, the friction inside the organization about all the things revenue funds melts away. Trade-offs and compromises don't need to be made about things like cutting the workforce, reducing support, or halting product development. Instead, business hums along nicely. Smooth external operations. Every company wants to delight its customers and partners. When forecasts are met and internal operations are flowing as they should be, your company can continue funding external marketing events, staffing ample customer service touchpoints, investing in its community, and more. From the outside, it's clear that everything inside is working as it should be. How do you design a sales forecasting plan? Calculating number and time period. Your plan should explain how you'll calculate the estimated monetary amount and what the time frames will be. Reviewing and revising. You should also plan to review the forecast at key milestones and revise it if necessary. Most sales leaders track progress against their forecast daily. But you'll also want to schedule designated check-ins throughout the quarter. Breaking the patterns. Even the best sales organizations need to shake up their processes once in a while. Breaking your patterns can help you find new ways of crafting even more accurate forecasting. Try skip-level forecasting, ask different questions, have executive sponsorship reviews, and take different angles of the data.